Amalgamated Panelbeaters is a Level 2 BEE company with representation of previously disadvantaged individuals. Amalgamated Panelbeaters, located on 10,000 square meters, served in the East Rand and beyond for nearly 50 years with consistent high-quality heavy and passenger vehicle auto body repairs and bodybuilding. It is a one-stop shop with over 60 highly skilled and experienced staff specializing in heavy commercial and passenger vehicles. Each job is finished to manufacturer's specifications. We are a preferred supplier for heavy commercial vehicle repairs for the following brands: Mercedes-Benz, Fuso, Freightliner, Isuzu Trucks, Hyundai Trucks, Scania, Volvo Trucks, Renault Trucks, MAN, Nissan, Hino, Tata, International, VW, Photon, Iveco, Powerstar, Ford, and DAF. We have state-of-the-art equipment and facilities comprising, amongst others, chassis straightening equipment, 2 spray booths on our commercial section including a gas-driven booth which can operate in the event of power failures, and 2 spray booths on our passenger section. We are also capable of manufacturing truck, trailer and bus components for bodies. We have a fully serviced generator that keeps the factories functioning during power outages, making delivery always on time. Included in our staff complement are journeymen ensuring the strictest quality control. Our belief is in our people, and our people guarantee excellent service at a competitive price with fast turnaround times.
Although there is no OEM approval programs for certain commercial vehicles, we are a preferred supplier for all brands of commercial vehicles.
The latest technology is used for computerized quoting, job costing and financial accounting for error-free and speed of service.
Our job costing and quoting system was designed by ourselves in conjunction with our IT consultants. It is fully integrated into our accounting system and is by far the best management system in the country.
We provide chassis straightening, wheel alignment, panel beating, cab rebuilding, sheet metal work, welding, trailer repair, mechanical work, electrical rewiring, trimming and spray painting. Amalgamated Panelbeaters have a number of efficiency programs to keep costs down and low prices to customers without compromising quality. The emphasis is on stringent corporate governance, minimizing unwanted and wasteful expenditure by eliminating the paying of commission to sales representatives. On the passenger vehicles, we are accredited repairers for Mercedes-Benz Light Commercial, Hyundai, Toyota, Kia, Ford, Mazda, Chevrolet, Opel, Peugeot, Isuzu, GWM and Haval.
Amalgamated Panelbeaters are accredited to offer training and internships for 4 different trades. We are MESITA accredited for automotive body repairers, mechanics, spray painters and bodybuilders.
We keep in contact with you from the very first call until your vehicle is finished, repaired and ready for collection, safe and sound.
An independent quality control company verify the quality of all our work. Should there be any unforeseen delays, customers are offered a courtesy car.
We have a fleet of 120 trucks that consists of Mercedes-Benz, Scania, Freightliners and Volvos. We have been servicing our trucks here with Amalgamated for 16 years. And I'm very excited with the type of workmanship that they have. We don't have return jobs here. They are always on time. And I like that.
We are value for money. We are integrity. We are punctual. We are Amalgamated Panelbeaters. Amalgamated and Autobahn, your bond of trust. Find us at 460 to 461 Ketten Road, corner Davidson Street and Grey Avenue, Wadeville, 1422 Gauteng. Or email info@amh.co.za.